bird has the most melodious voice? Correct answer, nightingale. Next question. Which bird can glide for hours without flapping its wings? Correct answer, albatross. Next question. Which bird builds floating nests on water? Correct answer, grebe. Next question. Which bird has the loudest call in the bird kingdom? Correct answer, kakapo. Next question. Which bird is known for carrying twigs to attract a mate? Correct answer, bowerbird. Next question. Which bird can run on water for short distances? Correct answer, jacana.